Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to share link on Instagram story. Okay, let's get started. The first thing you should do is open your Instagram app, and then after you open your Instagram, you have to swipe left your screen like this to create new Instagram story, and then you can click on this icon. Just click on it, and then you have to click this sticker, and there will be several options for you, and choose link. It's right here, and put the link that you want to share to your story, and you can click done right here. Okay, and now the link has been added to your story, and if you want to share your story, you can click your story right here. All right. Okay guys, that's how we can share link on Instagram story. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye.